Oh my god.
Hello. I told you we were coming back.
A little breezy, like a little rain cloud.
I'm gonna be talking to myself in here because I'm filming. Okay. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna put a lot of makeup on, and then went with the red lip. I'm feeling it. It's beautiful, but it's really hot. I need food. Hi. Hello. Hi, huh? Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh my god. Woo! I can't reach the pedals because Aunt was driving my car. Oh my god, I can't breathe. It's so hot. I am going to get food, and Aunt won't come with me because he's making himself salmon and he's selfish. I love gummy bears. So I just went to the grocery store and I got gummy bears and crab meat. Meat's so expensive. It was like $23 for a thing like this big. But I got crab meat because I ordered pasta from a restaurant, but they don't have crab meat, so I just bought my own. Pasta with vodka sauce is my favorite. Yeah, this is all for me. Did you enjoy your breakfast, Dan?
I did. I'm about to get hit by a car, just like, I'm more worried about filming you than my own life.
It's freezing here today. It's 52 degrees and rainy. The other day it was like 90, like 95 actually. So I got my black sweater, and of course you can't go in Target and just get like one thing. They had like the $5 movie. Got Hope Floats. Me and my mom used to love this movie when I was little. I got Just Go With It and Easy A. So they're $5, so I was like, I'm getting these. And then I got my black sweater, this necklace, which I thought was really pretty, this shirt. Thought it was really cute. Successful Target trip. I'm wearing my new shirt and necklace I got at Target and the sweater. When I like get something, I just want to wear it right away. So I get my new set of my new clothes.
Stop going so hard then.
Well, I don't do a lot of weight, but and you know what? It concentrates on that bicep. when you lower the weight and you just concentrate on doing a curl.
Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Cookie dokie. Hey guys, so I just got home from the movies with my family. Me, my mom, my dad, and my brother went to see Entourage. It was really funny. Now I have work tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, so I'm just about to wash my face and get ready for bed. Hair done today, and I forgot to film while I was there, but my friend Victoria did my hair. I love it. We did like a cooler tone blonde and put some more lowlights in because I wanted more dimension. Yum.
She's like, yeah, do you want a beer? And then Jules goes, oh, I'll have a glass.
I'm ready.
Yeah,
Let me see your phone for a minute. This is my phone.
Joel, I don't think we ever got that fine. We never forgot that fine from Easy Pass.
The color of my dress.
Nobody knows where your fingers
What?
have been.
Look at this.
After coffee? You're such a smiley person.
I'm a smiley.
Oh my dude,
You're headed to Philly.
I like it better when my
For like 30 seconds.
Camera holder.
I know.
Like a GoPro, John. don't even know what that means.
I want a hot dog.
Looking like a Jim
Get hot
Chuck
dogs.
Morrison look. Able to
Yeah,
be recording
can we get hot
artist in the
dogs?
60s.
Oh, I feel you, dog.
Gotta have some cotton candy at the Phillies game.
Yes, you do. Here's some peanuts.
Oh, yeah, there's McFadden's. Is this where we got our ticket? Yes. Finally got my hot dog.